earner na din. Okay? At he's from Marinduque. Nag-aaral pa rin po at the same time, pero ngayon, grabe, isa na din po sa kumikita ng malaki sa ating system. Kaya hindi ko na po patatagalin, walang iba kundi si Coach Apollo Raza.
I just want to greet everyone a good evening or good easy morning to all of you, because I know there are a lot of people out here na OFW or residing in different parts of the world. So good morning to all of you, good afternoon, and at the same time, good evening na din po para sa mga nandito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So ayun, like what Coach Kurt have said, my name po is Coach Apollo Raza, and my full name is Mark Apollo Raza, and I am 21 years old. So tama po si Coach Kurt, I am still studying and currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Technology. So yun po yung course na tinitake ko ngayon, and actually I just turned 21 this October, or this last October 15. Okay, so naging 21 na po tayo, legal age na po talaga. And at the same time po is, yung sinabi ko na nga kanina is I'm still doing this business part-time. Since student po tayo, this business has helped me a lot, and talaga pong it helped me propel to my dreams and achieve them quicker. Okay, so even though we are still studying, we are already earning. So ganun po kaganda yung business na to, because it is open to the youth. It is open for anyone with a dream. So ganyan po kaganda yung business natin. And siguro share ko na lang just a quick background on how I was endorsed dito sa ating business, okay? So okay lang po ba yun? Mag-comment naman kayo dyan ng yes if okay lang na mag-share si Coach Apollo ng paano ko na-endorse, at least mga ilang sentences lang. So ayun, to start off, I was introduced to this business because one time po, is nakaupo ako sa dorm ko and then I was looking for an online opportunity, because at that time I feel like I wasn't productive enough, or I feel like I'm supposed to be doing something. So ginawa ko po is nag-open ako ng Facebook, and then as I was scrolling up and down, I saw a post from my endorser, and ang sabi po ng sa post ng endorser ko is open to students daw, mga OFWs, mga teachers, and other professions. So, I immediately inquire. Okay, so minessage ko po siya saglit, and then I asked her po kung paano po yung process or how can I start. Okay, so katulad nyo siguro, pinattend ako ng webinar, and after that, the rest is history. So, doon po ako nag-start, and at the same time, yung reason for joining ko po is, of course, as we all know, or siguro masyado ng repetitive or redundant, but yung reason ko po is katulad din ng reason ninyo, because I want to help my parents, and at the same time, gusto ko pong magkaroon ng financial and time freedom even though I'm still a student, and at the same time, gusto kong may mapatunayan na ako at a young age, okay? Because guys, ang sabi ng isang mentor namin is, which is si founder ng naming team, which is Project Multiply Online, and si Sir CJ, sabi niya is if hindi ka kumikita sa online, napapag-iwanan ka. So talagang tinake ko yung advice na yun. So talagang nag-pursue ako dito sa business natin. And to share to you guys, I was awarded as the top 1 most productive endorser back-to-back po. So last August and this September. So back-to-back po tayo naging top 1 most productive endorser. And siguro last na lang po muna is yung thoughts ko dito sa business natin is it's really amazing. It's amazing how it helped different types of people, especially for students like us. Because guys, kung tutuusin, even if I work hard at a service crew or magbarista man ako or kung ano pa man yung pwede kong gawin na other part-time jobs, I don't think I will earn as much yung kinita ko po dito compare kapag nag-try ako na ganung business. And that's how amazing this business is, because kahit bago ka po dito, you can earn a lot. You don't have to have 10 years of experience before ka magkaroon ng malaking breakthrough. However, this is for anyone talaga na may dream, may pangarap na gusto nila maabot at a young age. So that's how amazing this opportunity. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo because this helped me a lot, and at the same time, this helped a lot of people, previews pa sa akin. And now, gusto ko malaman ninyo itong opportunity na to because kayo na ang next. So siguro yun muna yung sa akin. For now, Coach Kurt, thank you so much for having me here. And